Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will tell you how you can identify or find out the research topic or research questions. So let's go through a practical example how you can find out your research question. As my area of interest is artificial intelligence in nursing, so I just find out a research protocol which was published in 2019, and the title was Nursing in the Age of Artificial Intelligence Protocol for the Scoping Review. It's grabbed my attention because the ChatGPT was launched in November 2022 and it was published in 2019. So I want to see the thought process and the mindset of authors at that time. So, when I read this article, I found some interesting things, so I want to share with you. Actually, this is a scoping review, and it's actually a protocol in which they identify the five key domains. In the five key domains, how AI is actually impacting on the nursing. So the first key domain was the administration. How artificial intelligence will impact on the nursing leadership and nursing management, and what will be the role in the healthcare. So actually, this domain is completely depend on the administration role, leadership role, and how the AI will impact on it. Our secondly domain was the clinical care. This is the main core and heart of our profession, that is the clinical care. So how AI will integrate in the clinical care? So what task will be performed by the AI, and what will be the nurse-patient relationship in AI? And now what will be the definition and concept of compassionate care? So these things come under this domain. A third key domain was the education, how artificial intelligence will impact on the nursing education, the training and the development of the nursing student. This was another key area.